November 24th, no, 27. It's 454. 135.4 minus 1. I didn't record that much today, but since I took some pictures of my lunch, I wanted to share it with you. This is just to show you sometimes when I'm eating, I put more vegetables than rice. So this is an example of it. So that's pretty much it. About 10 p.m. I'm about to go to bed. About 2 hours ago, I ate a huge bowl of food. It was mostly vegetable, cabbage in particular, because I was kind of hungry but not really hungry. I just felt like eating something, and I had this leftover food in the fridge, and I just put, but I think I ate a little too much rice. The amount of rice that you saw, that's what I ate. But I'm about to weigh myself. Let me see how much I weigh. And tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Let's see, I probably 138 or something. 138.6. How many did I get? 3.2. Yeah. Anyway, good night. November 28th, 7:10 a.m. 137.2. 137.2 minus 1.4. Today's Thanksgiving. Let's see how much I gained for today. Thanksgiving. 38.8. November 29th, 7:47 a.m. 137 even. Come on. 137 minus 1.8.
Now the tree looks small.
Can you lower that for a second, Mark?
That's because you're getting older by the second.
Thank you, Mark. You're getting taller.
I know that.
So is that your favorite thing you wanted to do? Are you happy that the tree's gonna go up?
He wants the train, I think, right?
Oh.
He's doing all this for the train, right, Mark?
Ooh, finally cleaned the corner.
Look, before when I was one, I was like,
I have a picture on Facebook when we bought this tree. You were so small. You were sitting on the cot.
in the Christmas tree. It's like it's like the December 20th.
That's it. You don't need it.
Maybe we should move it. Oh, after you put the train?
Here's the plug, Mark. Plug it in for mommy to test it out.
Test.
Is the light still working?
Okay, go.
Oh, it works!
Hey.
It doesn't feel so hot? What, you expect to receive heat from it?
Hot because that light over there is very hot.
Okay,
Oh.
okay. This is LED. Bring your favorite. That's what you wanted, right?
Is it still working? Because when you were, I think since last year, when you was playing with it, it's like banging on it.
Yeah.
You're gonna mess up the
You don't want
thing.
it to break. Take the things out now.
Nicely. Because if we didn't take good care of it, you will not still have it.
We?
Yes,
We?
we.
It's a we. It's not he.
Daddy didn't take care of it. Wait.
There's more tracks on the bottom.
Yeah, I got it. Take these out first.
So why the clock is not hanging in your room? Is it broken?
It's bothering me too much.
He was hearing noises, he said.
Don't mess it up. Maybe we could put it in front of the door. Because sometimes, we just look up and see the time. Something like that. But I have my cross up there, so we could put it next to it. Okay, that's my lunch. Leftover salad from the Thanksgiving. Just a reminder when I'm editing so I don't forget. A lot of time once I get to the videos, I forget. So that's what you wanted? Oh, what happened to this? The battery is not working?
Oh no, I just don't want it to be here. But.
Nothing, just nothing.
What?
This doesn't work?
That works. She didn't get to it yet.
Oh. Alright, November 29th, 9:30 p.m. 1:38 even. 9 plus what? Plus 1. So I haven't been vlogging in a while. Today is November 30th. It's a Saturday. I didn't do anything. So it's the weekend of Thanksgiving. I didn't record that much. So we have a surprise for my youngest. He loves crabs. So we're gonna have that for him. He wanted to go for fun. There's no special occasion. We wanted to do that for him. So we were asking them what do they want to do since we have a long weekend. He wanted to go to a restaurant to eat, but my husband and I had planned weeks prior. He loves seafood, so we're gonna make seafood later. My husband is not here. Before my husband come back, I wanted to edit some videos, which is what I'm editing here. And my son was into programming, and he just called me to come and check something that he did on the other computer. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is the thing I don't like when you guys are home. Mess everywhere. But anyway, show me the thing. Put it on the big screen so I could see hopefully the...
Big screen.
I don't know.
Big screen. Go.
So he did all of that. So how come it's all the way at the bottom of the screen? Why not in the center of the screen?
Just watch it and then I'll tell you later.
So you did all of that?
Yes, but it's still going on. Still going on.
So you still haven't done, remember how Daddy was telling you about the pixels? Because this is a horrible pixel.
I like how the pixel looks like.
But you have to think, if you're making it for other people to see it, how people will enjoy it. Because the graphic here is not that good. It looks like 1980s video games or something. Because the pixels are horrible.
Just wait, keep watching. Keep.
Let me know when it's finished. Oh, that's it?
Wait. Then he's gonna done. Now it is finished.
Alright, that's pretty good. The only thing that's not that good is the graphic, that's all.
So, hold on, let me do this real quick.
Why, you have another one?
No, I'm not gonna have another one, unless if you're talking about something else. So
I don't know.
anyway,
You wanna show me some more stuff?
So, you go over here.
You did all of these?
Wait, no, I didn't. No, I did not. For example, you look at this or something. It's like 1,047 views, and that's where I got the sprites from.
Why, you have people viewing your thing?
Yes, somewhere.
That's yours?
So, no, let's just say I copied the sprites, kind of. But the sprites is not actually theirs. It's on Google.
Okay. So I'm just gonna give you a little warning, even for future reference. Okay? When you're putting things online, you have to be careful you're not copying people's stuff. Okay? You could get in trouble for that. Okay? So just make sure whatever although I'm not making you put stuff on online, I better know exactly what you're doing online. But just make sure in the future when you're doing things, when you put stuff out, is your own thing, not other people's stuff.
So you see this?
Mm-hmm.
This is my studio thing. It's like a club or something. I made it.
Mm-hmm.
And I got these people here. And they joined me.
Does Daddy knows about this? Are these people who's joining you or people from school?
No.
Where are they? Does Daddy know about all of that?
No.
You need to talk to Daddy about it because he's the one who's into that with you. Please, I don't want to have you having conversation with inappropriate conversation with people that you don't know, because they could easily say they are kids, but they're not. Let me see the comment here. And who is Coco Warrior?
It's just like...
Which one is you in there?
This is me.
Evolution Blue, what's that?
Gogeta.
Okay, that's you.
This is me.
Uh-huh.
This is
somebody else.
Somebody
yeah.
that's like kind of like giving me the sprites. I'm giving credit to him.
What is a sprite?
A sprite is the thing you just saw of like...
Oh, he's commenting on your project or on your video.
Yeah.
Okay. And who wrote this? You?
Me. Because this whole thing right here is me, my stuff. I own it.
Okay. Please do not give your real name to anybody.
I know.
Don't give your address, your personal
why-
information.
I know. Bad things happen. That's why I got this here. It's not my actual real name, but like account.
You don't need to tell them but I'm okay. Who wrote this?
Me.
You wrote that?
Yes.
That's pretty good.
Wait, it is?
I feel like it's someone else who wrote that.
But it's me.
That's your how do you call this? Your not your background, your introduction of what you're doing.
Yeah.
So this is the thing that the school gave you, showed you.
No, the school showed me Scratch.
That's what I'm saying. The program.
Yeah, they showed me that, and then I learned something about coding. But then since the teacher doesn't have enough time to like teach, I like go on it here myself, and I watch YouTube videos of how to do the stuff.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Wait, this is actually good?
Yeah, feel free to join. This is specifically for Dragon Ball fans. I'm Evolution Blue.
Like a Dragon Ball thing, so.
So please, I don't want to see inappropriate conversation in here. All right. Okay.
Wait, it's good?
Yeah. All right. So I just check his thing. While I was editing, he came and told me to come and look at his thing. So I was pretty impressed with that. I need to put him in there's a couple things I want to put him, but he likes that and he's finding ways to work it. So anyway, so that's it. I have some edit to do. I'm way behind. I need to do at least 2 videos and then upload them. Then later we're gonna eat the crab. He doesn't know. We're doing it for him. So yeah, that's it for now. Put them somewhere for now because I'm not sure what we're gonna do tomorrow. Okay, there's the crab. We're gonna eat onions. We're gonna make onion rings. Alright, so let's get going. It's okay.